Ever pondered the significance of quality education and skill development in burgeoning markets? Imagine a world where every individual, regardless of their geographical location, has access to top-notch education and skill enhancement opportunities. This is not a utopian dream, but a reality being created by Lasya Infotech. Lasya Infotech, a trailblazer in the realm of education and skill development, has carved a niche for itself in the bustling landscapes of India. With a keen focus on equipping young professionals with the skills of tomorrow, Lasya Infotech has already transformed the lives of countless individuals. Their winning formula, a blend of state-of-the-art technology, innovative teaching strategies, and an unwavering commitment to quality. In India, Lasya Infotech has been instrumental in bridging the skill gap. They have empowered thousands of students with industry-relevant training, helping them secure coveted positions in the job market. Their success is not only measured in numbers, but also in the impact they have made in the lives of their students. But Lasya Infotech isn't stopping there. With eyes set on the horizon, they are now turning towards the promising landscapes of Africa. Recognizing the immense potential and untapped talent in this vast continent, Lasya Infotech is preparing to bring their proven methodologies and commitment to quality education to Africa. Their mission, to foster talent, cultivate skills, and empower the African workforce of tomorrow. In this era where technology is transforming every facet of life, quality education and skill development are no longer luxuries but necessities. And it's organizations like Lasya Infotech that are leading the charge, breaking down barriers and making quality education accessible to all. This is a call to action, a call to support initiatives that strive for quality education. Because education is not just about imparting knowledge, it's about empowering individuals, transforming communities, and shaping the future. So stand by quality education, stand by organizations like Lasya Infotech, and together we can shape a brighter, more empowered future.